You should do exactly this to make her miss you today. Well, hello and welcome. My name is Arica Angelo, and I'm wearing my favorite color, white. I just thought you should know that. I thought you would want to know that. Anyways, I am a dating and relationship expert that men have been coming to for 13 years, helping you become the kind of man that she just can't resist while not losing yourself or her. So what is it that you want to do to make her miss you today? Here's the thing, something that I've shared with you guys quite often, and I'll continue to say this, is that something that's very important for us women is when we understand how we impact you. That's very important. What kind of mark have we made on your life? What is it about us that makes us stand out to you above any other woman? What do we do to make you feel better about your life? What do we do to make you feel better about yourself? You see, all of these things are very important to women. And it's very important that you are able to communicate that to her, because no, she just doesn't know. Even if you give her a roundabout compliment, that doesn't do it. You have to be very specific with women. And this is all about conversating from the heart, right? It's not an intellectual thing, because here's the other thing. When you're communicating to her that she's made this impact, it can't just come from here. Because if it just comes from here, it's going to fall off of her like water on a duck's back. It has to come from here. She has to feel it. So to make her miss you today, this is what you want to say. Listen, I've been meaning to tell you this. The way you do this really touches my life. And since you've been in my life, it's been so much better. Make sure that you write that down. Hey guys, no matter where you are in your journey with women, I've got you covered with one of my courses. So make sure that you check these courses out at aricaangelo.com. Because when you say that, it stays in her head. Every human being, like, what do we want? You talk to most people want to make this world a better place. I inherently believe that people are good, that they have good hearts, but that most people just come from trauma, which is what a lot of my work I do with working with clients and equipping men to become emotional warriors, is I believe that we all have good hearts. And so it needs to come from the heart. And because when she can feel it, then she's going to trust the validity of those words. She's going to trust that those words are true. And so when you share that with her of how she's touched your life, that your life is now better as a result of her being in your life, that makes her go, wow, he's such a special man. Wow, I've never ever really saw him that kind of way, but the way he just speaks from his heart, I'm trying to do the wink and the at the same time. The way that he speaks from his heart, wow, most men don't know how to do that. This guy is special. This is a really special man. And it makes her miss you. It makes her want you. But yeah, when you're able, and then think about this. If you're able to do this consistently, I'm not saying every day, but I'm saying when you're consistently able, this is not like a one-hit wonder. Like you say this once and you're good for the rest of the year. No, we women, people, we want to feel seen. We want to know as a woman, how do I impact your life? How do I change your life for the better? How do I make you feel? How do I inspire you? How do I drive you? Like all of these things, women really want to know. So when you can say it in such a way that it comes from your heart, it makes her miss you. Why? Because it's like you have reminded her of something special about herself. And so when she associates that good feeling, she associates it back to you. You're the reason why she's feeling that way. And so when we feel good, what do we want to do? We want more of it. It's like chocolate cake. It's like you have a little slice and you're like, actually, I think I want more of that. And it's the same thing with you. When you're able to give her that sweetness of being able to say how she's impacted you in such a way, she wants more of you. She starts missing you. She starts wanting to be with you more. And so this is how you speak to a woman's heart. But in order to effectively speak to her heart, you have to be able to speak from your heart. And if that's something that you struggle with, which by the way, most men do. Most men who come to me, communication, and when I talk about speaking from the heart, they're like, what? I mean, I get that, but what? How do I do that? Listen, if that's you, then you want to check out my Emotional Warrior program, because that's going to really give you the language to, one, connect back to your own heart. Because, buddy, it starts with you. You got to connect with your own damn heart before you can start impacting hers. And that's where the big divide becomes from a lot of men and women, is there's that missing link, which is the heart. And most guys are like, I have no idea how to do that. I've never been equipped to do that. No one's ever told me this. This is crazy. But I can see that the lack of it, I keep hitting my head against the wall. Women, keep telling me I'm too in my head, or I just freeze up with them, or I don't know how to emotionally connect with them, or things start off and then I sabotage it. All of that comes from because you're not pursuing her from the heart. And so the only way that you can do that is by being reacquainted with your own heart and understanding that your heart matters. And so it's an 8-week program that you can do. You can do it at your own pace. You can do it from all over the world. And there are video trainings that I do. But on the second week, I really talk about the value of the heart, which is the basis. It's the ethos of this program. It's the ethos of my coaching. Ethos, is that life is done through the heart. And when we're able to speak from the heart, when we're able to live from the heart, we're able to identify with our hearts, reclaim our hearts. When we're able to do that, that's when life becomes more fulfilling. That's when those relationships with women become more fulfilling. But most importantly, the relationship with yourself becomes more fulfilling. You start feeling more whole. You start feeling more victorious in yourself. You feel more strong, empowered, and confident in yourself. So I highly suggest that you check out that Emotional Warrior program, because the men who are doing it, it's radically transforming their lives. So yes, if you want to make her miss you and you want to do it today, say exactly what I shared at the beginning of this video, so that she knows, okay, I've impacted his life. And since I've come into his life, I've made it so much better. Wow, what a sweet man. What a gracious man. That's really struck a chord with my heart. Gosh, I'm really missing him. We should really see each other again. I need to let him know that I would really like to see him this weekend. And then she wants to spend more time with you. That's how it all plays out. So guys, remember this. You have what it takes. And in this very moment that you, my dear, loved, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can know when I release another video. And just know that you're loved. You got this, babe. I'll see you in my next video. You take care.